George Murad.
Melanie Corey bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro.
Today's topic is second homes. Many of you may have friends who have a second home at the beach, Florida, California, Colorado.
Somewhere around the world.
Somewhere around the world even. And you wonder, man, how cool is that to have a second home? Sometimes it's even hard enough just to manage your own home, more or less a second home. But let me tell you, ever since this past year with COVID, I think what's happened to the world is we've learned we don't need to be anchored down in one place. We can do work via calls. Our children can go do virtual schooling. I mean, Mel, a couple of weeks ago you were in the Outer Banks, and tell us, what was that like?
Yeah, I went to the Outer Banks. We were there for a week. My daughter, she's in kindergarten. She has screen breaks. And during our screen breaks, we would go to the beach, come back. I would do a conference call. I ratified a contract while there. So it was convenient.
Business as usual. And look, what did it do for your mental health?
Oh my goodness. It's so refreshing to be able to get away. I think that's something that people don't realize, that they don't take enough time for themselves. And so a second home makes that convenient for you to really refresh.
And it gives you an opportunity to actually have a place or a destination to go to. Sometimes we're trying to figure out where we want to go or what we want to do, but if there's a place, sometimes I always hear, and I was one of those that say the same thing, I'm never going to go. But when you have it, you make time and you do go. But there's also like another end of it, the investment aspect of it. Right now, people have learned they can be mobile. Kids can be at virtual school if need be. There can be meetings over Zoom. It doesn't have to be face-to-face all of the time. So this is an opportunity where you can leverage this second home into an investment property. You can roll it into rental income. I mean, many of the times, if you're able to choose a destination that is a vacation destination, like we have several friends that have purchased in Florida. They bought 2 or 3 unit little mini buildings. They rent out 2, and they have 1 available for them all of the time. And this pays the entire bill for the entire property, and even puts a little cash flow in their pocket. What's even better is that this is getting paid off, and eventually it can end up being a head start to their retirement, right?
Yeah. You also have tax deductions. Of course, we're not accountants, so you would speak to them, but there's tax deductions that come with it.
So there are a lot of opportunities. So if you're able to monetize that second home, sometimes I know a couple of friends who have various homes in various places, and if they're able to rent out the home for about 30 or 40% of the year, so we're talking about 4 months out of 12 months, the other months are all paid for. They enjoy it with family. They give it to friends. And if they really want to, they rent it some more and then generate the income. But these are a lot of different things that we can do. Another advantage that we have is Red Door Metro is not here locally in the Washington, D.C. area. We're global. We have partners all over, right, Mel?
Yeah, so if you find yourself in Beirut, you find yourself in Miami, and you're like, wow, I really want to look at some investment properties, call us. We can connect you with somebody out there.
So we have our network can do that. So if you want to get more information on maybe obtaining a second home and some of the advantages, we'd love to sit down with a one-on-one consultation with you. And Melanie, you want to bring it home?
And thank you for allowing Red Door Metro to be your doorway to better living.